Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why Hamster Kombat suddenly decided to add the OKX wallet right before their big airdrop? What's the real story behind this move, and what does it mean for you? So here's the deal. Hamster Kombat recently announced on their official Twitter page that they've integrated the OKX wallet into their system. At first glance, it seems like just another update, but when you dig deeper, it gets pretty interesting. Let me take you back a bit. Imagine you're all set for the airdrop on September 26th. You're thinking, great, I'll finally get my rewards, and I'll use whatever wallet I've been comfortable with. But then Hamster Kombat drops this bombshell. They've added a new wallet, OKX, and they're suggesting you register with their referral code. Why, you ask? Well, it turns out they're not just being nice. There's something in it for them. You see, every time you use their referral code to sign up on OKX, Hamster Kombat earns a commission from your transactions. It's like they're saying, sure, we'll give you your airdrop rewards, but how about you help us out a bit too? It's not a requirement, but it's clear they're hoping you'll go along with it. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. You might be wondering, is using the OKX wallet mandatory? The short answer is no. If you're already using a different wallet like Timekeeper or Binance, you're good to go. But if you're thinking about signing up for OKX, they're encouraging you to use their referral link. And if you do, make sure your wallet is verified. Why? Because when the airdrop happens, they want everything to go smoothly. And having a verified wallet ensures that your funds get to you without any hitches. But here's the kicker. Hamster Kombat has made it clear that OKX is just the beginning. They're planning to add more wallets in the coming weeks, including possibly Binance and Timekeeper. So, if you're not keen on OKX, don't worry. You'll have other options soon. As for the current value of the Hamster Kombat token, there's been some buzz around the preliminary price listed on OKX. Right now, it's showing at 16 cents, which is pretty impressive for a new token. But don't get too excited just yet. Remember what happened with dogs? The price was high before the market officially opened, but it dropped once trading began. The same could happen with Hamster Kombat. So keep that in mind when planning your next move. In the end, the choice is yours. Whether you stick with your current wallet or decide to give OKX a shot, just remember that Hamster Kombat is playing the long game. They're trying to maximize their profits, and they're hoping you'll help them out. If you do decide to register for OKX, make sure to use the link in the description below to get started. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.